Hey Lipstick Bessies, it's Victoria Lowe, and I'm coming at you with this beautiful fall pink that goes by the name of Dayton in my line. Oh my gosh, you guys, you are in for a treat. Stay tuned.
Let's mix it up.
Mix it, lipstick, mix it, lipstick, mix it, lipstick, mix it, lipstick,
let's mix it up.
Mix it, lipstick, mix it, lipstick, mix it, lipstick,
let's mix it up.
Okay, lipstick gang, so every girl loves pink, so of course I had to come with this beautiful pink. It is a nice pink, but it's not too hot, and I'm starting off with 18 tablespoons of my world famous base, and you can get it at my website veryveelobeauty.com, and it's going to equal up to 307 grams to be exact. If you guys want an exact measure, I have the scale right here that is just weighing all of the base that I'm adding to the bowl. But yes, as I was saying before, I'm coming at you guys with this beautiful fall pink. It's not too hot. It's like a nice shade of pink. Anyone can wear it, but it's not as bright as the other pink in my line that is called Miami. This pink is of a darker shade, and I thought that it would be perfect to show you guys this pink for the fall. Now I'm going in with 2 tablespoons of titanium dioxide, or 30 grams, and I'm just going to fold that in to the base, getting it to mix until it's a creamy consistency. It's okay if it has a little bit of lumps, but I want to place a lot of emphasis on scraping the sides of the bowl just to make sure that there's no powder present. And then I take it right over to my mixer for about a minute, and of course you have to clean that whisk off. And now I'm going in with 10 tablespoons of the FD&C Red number 27 Alum Lake, aka pink, and I'm just folding that in as well, because when I take it to my mixer, I do not want a big old cloud of pink all over the place. So I'm just folding this in really good, and of course I want to tell you guys again to scrape the bowl. A good idea would be to drag the product up as I'm doing here, because once that cream catches that powder, then it automatically kind of mixes in, and then after that you want to continue to push the product back down into the bowl before you take it to the mixer. And just like that, the mixer is doing its job as per usual, and I am so grateful for this mixer. And now I'm going in with 1 teaspoon or 6 grams of the black oxide, just to give our lipstick some depth. Without the black, this would be a color in my line that goes by the name of Miami, but like I said, this is a darker version of that color, which is Dayton. So that black did make a difference in the shade. As you can already see, it's giving this pink more depth. You guys, I have to show you guys our progress. So here's a side-by-side comparison of the first pink and the pink with the black, and just that little bit of black made a big difference. So be careful when adding black. 8 tablespoons of the ISO remix of course goes into the bowl, and what that's going to do is help to bind those powders to that base really nice and really well, and also help our product to matte in the end. 4 tablespoons of the Red 27 Alum Lake goes in, followed by a 1/4 teaspoon of the black oxide. Just a 1/4, just a little bit. And as you can see, that ISO is very liquidy. So when I mix this, I expect it to be more liquid than usual. So in the end, I would probably not. Yes, you can see the texture of this is very liquidy, as I said before, so I won't be adding more ISO. And that pink is beautiful. It's the perfect jewel tone for anyone, but I really love it on my complexion, really do. And yes, it's too liquidy, so I'm going in with 18 tablespoons of Kaolin Clay to bring our texture back, as well as to help this lipstick dry faster. So I'm folding in this clay, and what's going to happen is it's going to become the perfect consistency to the point where I don't have to add any more ISO in the end, because I've already added enough, and you can already see that it is the texture and the consistency that we want. The mixer is just going to go ahead and seal the deal and incorporate everything in a seamless way where there is no traces of the Kaolin Clay, because usually when I add the Kaolin Clay, it looks like you're getting ready to make a dough ball. But since I've added enough ISO, it doesn't look that way, and it's perfect. So yes, I did not go back in with ISO like I usually do, because that would have definitely made our lipstick too liquidy. And this is the perfect cream that I am looking for, and it's going to flow into my bottles easily, as well as give me the color payoff that I need when I am applying it to my lips. But I'm basically done, you guys, and I added it to my jars. Of course, clean and sanitize your jars. Yes, and I added it to my jars, and that's it. Now let's try on this beautiful pink. I am so excited. I was so ready to put this pink, apply this pink, and oh my gosh, the color payoff is amazing as expected. My lighting in my bathroom is very bright and I like it, but I'm going to show you guys it in a more realistic lighting or darker lighting. I don't know, but yes, this is the lipstick. A little goes a long way. You can see in that first watch the color payoff was very, very strong. And of course I like to use a wand when I'm applying liquid lipstick, because it allows me to line my lips as well as apply it to my lips in a nice way. So yeah, and that's it. It has already begun to dry, and it is absolutely stunning. I love the way it came out. This is it in more of a ambient lighting or a darker lighting, and it's bomb. As always, you guys, I want to thank you so much for stopping by, spending time with me virtually, watching my videos. All of your love and support is always so greatly appreciated. If you're interested in wholesale, visit my website, veryveelobeauty.com. As always, stay blessed and stay safe, and especially in these times, stay positive. I love you guys.